Just go look.
You're messing with me.
Jason, quit being a wuss. Just go look.
You better kill it. You don't want to sleep with it.
Jason.
You're scaring me because I know it's on your iPhone.
He doesn't like spiders.
Would you just pull the blanket off and see if it's on your thing?
It's a spider, I know.
Pull the blanket straight off.
There's something under there.
Just do it.
You're gonna get hugged the crap out of.
Huh?
If it scares me.
Do it quick so it'll be over like a band-aid.
Just go 1, 2, 3 and pull it off.
Yeah, there's something under there.
Would you just hurry up? Just pull it off.
Oh, holy crap! Holy crap!
Holy crap.
Jesus, this is awesome!
Wasn't that an awesome spider?
I love this spider. Thank you! This is so cool!
Well, take it out.
This is just